So this is Xia Boyu, a Chinese national who is a double amputee. But why does he merit a mention on this channel, The Psychology of Success? Well, he does, because he is such a remarkable individual. Hopefully, also a source of inspiration to anyone who's watching this video. Xia Boyu lost his legs to frostbite in 1975 in an expedition to climb Mount Everest. Now, losing both legs is not a small thing. It's a kind of catastrophic outcome that would send anybody into a tailspin, and you can just imagine that it would be very unlikely for the person ever to rise again to take on challenges like mountain climbing, let alone climbing Mount Everest. You'd think, but not Xia Boyu. After he lost his legs, he made another attempt to climb Mount Everest, this time with two prosthetic legs. Of course, he didn't succeed. But then he tried again, a third time. He didn't succeed that time either. So guess what he does? He tries a fourth time. No luck. So he tries 4 times to climb Mount Everest, 3 times with prosthetic legs, and he fails. You'd think he'd give up, but not this guy. He makes a 5th attempt. At the age of 69, on his 5th attempt, double amputee Xia Boyu reaches the top of Mount Everest. Can you believe it? So often in our lives, we are deterred from our quest to achieve success by obstacles in our path. Next time you feel like throwing the towel in and quitting, I hope you'll think of Xia Boyu. I will leave a link to his story down in the description box if you want to know more about him. Do consider joining. I would love to have you as part of the Psychology of Success group. To borrow that memorable line from Arnold Schwarzenegger's Terminator, I'll be back. In the meantime, good luck and take care.